YouTube channel, Bedra Team, right? So in today we'll be discussing about Bitcoin, right? Because the reason why I did a video today is because I have been seeing different move on Bitcoin, how Bitcoin had been moving. Previously, you can actually see the current, the recent, the past video I dropped about Bitcoin on my YouTube channel, and you can actually see what I actually said there. Okay, I think this let us take a look at the chart of Bitcoin right now. I think this is a very strong zone for Bitcoin right now. A very strong zone for Bitcoin right now, and Bitcoin have been finding it difficult, still consolidating on this zone for more than 10 days right now. I think more than 10 days to more than, should I say, more than 13 days, right? Bitcoin has been consolidating on that place, right? I actually shared you with you guys over here was when Bitcoin was down. I actually told you guys to actually buy all the way here, and I was telling you guys about the retracement that is going to currently happen. About this retracement that's going to currently happen, let me go to my YouTube channel and actually play the video for you guys so that you guys can actually watch this. So guys, if you scroll down here, you're actually going to find the video. We actually told you guys that Bitcoin, right from the beginning, that Bitcoin is going to actually retrace up to this level. Right over here, you can actually see the video here. Let me play it for you guys because this is currently happening as you speak. But this is a very strong zone for Bitcoin, right? Very uptrend market, right? So $27,300 we actually hit this level, which is our first target, and the second target is 28, right? If you actually check on here, you can actually check the market here. So guys, over here I was actually explaining you guys that Bitcoin is actually going to break this level, right? Bitcoin is actually going to break this level over here, right? Need to break this level and need to break this level over here, and we're actually going to see more retracement that is going to happen this like this, that is going to actually push the market upward. And that happened today. I'm going to actually share with you guys what I think is going to happen in the next this week that we are currently looking at. If this does not happen, then expect Bitcoin to actually make a different move, right? So currently right now we are actually seeing a very strong pattern, right? This pattern, I'm currently looking at it, and this pattern can actually cause Bitcoin to actually retrace up to the upside, right now. Let's actually look over here. We have this trend here which actually push, once this trend is shown, it push Bitcoin price to the upside, right? And we are, if you can see very well, here we have this trend, it pushed the market to the upside. Here we are having this trend. I'm not sure we're actually going to go down, but I think this trend, these sticks here, might push Bitcoin price to the upside. Highest we may actually trend down a little bit before retracing up. So this is what I'm currently looking at. Currently right now, this is a very strong zone for Bitcoin, right? This is a very strong zone for Bitcoin. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see the different move that Bitcoin have been moving on this box. So Bitcoin have been moving on this box, right? Not trying to get out of the zone, making up trend, going up and down. You can see going up, down, up, down, up, down, just like that. This is the move that Bitcoin have been making up on this box right here. So Bitcoin have not yet break. If we want to see more significant move, is either Bitcoin break this box here or Bitcoin breaks below this box here. And if Bitcoin break the below box, we're actually going to see more move to the downside. I'm currently looking at 28.8k, 28.8k. That is what I'm currently looking at. If Bitcoin should actually retrace down before actually moving ahead to the market, I think that is what I'm currently looking at, right? Because that can actually be more support, and if not that level, then here should be the next level for Bitcoin for actually test down before actually going up, right? So this is the levels I'm looking at Bitcoin right now, but Bitcoin right now is still trending below this box, below this zone here, So this is what Bitcoin has been doing. So currently right now, Bitcoin is still breaking the zone. Over here, you can actually see or a retracement when Bitcoin break down, when Bitcoin reach the edge before bouncing back again. So to me, I'll be saying Bitcoin look pretty good because when I analyze this market, I currently notice that Bitcoin is actually going to retrace back, right? It's actually going to retrace back to the market, right? It might actually break this box, right? Here we have to actually fill this gap over here. This is a very strong gap that we actually need to fill, and I think this coming week we may feel it. But if we do not feel it, then expect Bitcoin to flog down to 28.8k if Bitcoin does not do this, right? So this is the move I'm currently looking at. If we are still looking at the 1 day time frame, we actually see that we are actually consolidating on a particular range from the previous support level, which happened over here, right? And you can see the target is actually affecting the present currency right now, and it's actually causing a very strong zone for Bitcoin to actually break in, right? So this is what I'm currently looking at, right? If we still look at Bitcoin at the 1 week time frame, if we still look at Bitcoin at 1 week time frame, we can actually see that Bitcoin is still having more way to go since we break to the upside, right? I think Bitcoin is still going to actually go high at the cost of this move, right? Because I don't expect this Bitcoin to actually smash down. No, I think Bitcoin is actually going to go high more in the coming weeks, right? So pay attention to that, and I want to see Bitcoin breaking 32k. I want to see Bitcoin break 32k. Once Bitcoin break 32k, then Bitcoin will be getting out of that stupid box that I'm currently seeing right now. I want to actually see Bitcoin break this box over here. Once Bitcoin breaks this box, I think it's actually going to reverse, right? But that is what I'm currently seeing the 4 hour time frame, right? The 4 hour time frame, and this is a very nice confirmation for me to actually see more significant. So if I should be buying Bitcoin, I want to actually trade. If it is me, I want to actually trade, I'm actually going to put my stop loss at this edge, and I'll actually find my way to the upside more, right? I think this is a very nice support over here. This is a very nice zone over here to actually pay attention to. Maybe if we break this, if we break below this, we may actually see more downfall on Bitcoin to 28.8k. So pay attention over here. The same signal that come out for Bitcoin to actually go bullish, to have Bitcoin to actually pump to the upside, and currently right now you can still see it in the present. So that's why we actually need to pay attention to what we are currently seeing right now. So I think Bitcoin is actually going to retrace more to the upside in the market. So this is what I'm currently seeing in the market. Bitcoin is actually going to twist more to the upside in the market, right? If this does not happen, listen to me again, we are actually going to see Bitcoin at 28.8k. I repeat again, pay attention. So this is what we are currently seeing in the 1 day time frame. So far so good. Bitcoin have not actually break out of the box, so pay attention to what is coming up in Bitcoin and stay up to date. If you want to actually know more about the move of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency, do well to actually subscribe to my channel. Here I teach you guys how to actually trade and know the best crypto to actually invest on. I'm going to say peace out for now. See you in my next video.